everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for Paletteful Packs unboxing. Nothing makes me more motivated to make a video than to find out what's inside this box. So let's find out. Boop, boop, doop, boop. Okay, so there's some wormies, but they're not covering everything. This is like in a package. So we'll set this aside for now, and we'll open that in a second. Looks like a ton of blending stumps. Oh my gosh. Wow. Lots of blending stumps. Ooh. Deep blues. Pastels. It looks like they're kind of not in there correctly. But that's a nice color. Okay. And then a pencil sharpener. So obviously the thing in the packet is pencils. This is a cute little sharpener with a little canister. Honestly, I'm okay with getting a pencil sharpener. I don't have like a ton, so. Artist tiles, and these are gray. I feel like we got these before, but that's okay. That's cool. Petite pack Rembrandt soft pastels. Oh, there's more. So many wormies. And it just looks like some pieces of paper. Yeah, just a few other pieces of paper. Wonder what that's about. So let's open up this package right here. And see what's in this. Woo! They're going everywhere. Okay. So it looks like I have no idea what they are. Maybe like pastel pencils or something? Which is like, since there's pastels in the box, I don't know. It says Carbothello. So yeah, maybe Stabilo. They're not colors that I would have chosen for myself. Except for the yellow. The yellow looks pretty. But that's okay. Alright, so let's figure out what the heck everything is. So this is when I am going to read the sheet here. And if you're not interested in that, then I will see you later. Thanks for coming by. They did send an email saying that one of the descriptions was wrong, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but if so, well, I'm just gonna... Oh yeah, I see where it's wrong, but we'll get to that. Okay, so Petite pack, Rembrandt soft pastels. The soft pastels half stick 5-piece set. This Rembrandt soft pastels are world-renowned professional quality sticks that are manufactured with only the purest pigments and finest quality kaolin clay. They are made in the Netherlands under strict quality control standards. Each color is made with unique pigmentation formulas. These round sticks have excellent softness for beautiful color release and toning. And they are valued at $9.95. And then they Strathmore 400 series heavyweight toned sketch tiles, cool gray. Heavyweight toned sketch tiles in cool gray are a special service for creating drawings or patterns using light and dark media. The mid-tone values of the gray paper gives you the opportunity to use bright highlights and dark shadows to make drawings or patterns that really pop. Valued at $5.49. Carbothello pastel pencils, 5 colors. So unfortunately, this is the one thing that I really wanted to read the description on, and it's not the description of it. It's the description of the brush. Like, I don't know, some other brush or something. I don't know. But the brush from last month. Anyways, then the General Pencil Little Red All Art Sharpener. This little red plastic single hole sharpener is ideal for pastel chalk charcoal, and round colored pencils. The specially developed steel blade was designed to restore the factory point for softer colored pencils. So yeah, I think these are like pastel chalk pencils, whatever that means. Whoop. Okay, and then these random sheets. Canson Ni Tientes paper sheets, indigo and cream. The 65% rag paper is ideal for hard and soft pastel, pencil, charcoal, and colored pencils. 50 cents. And then 10-piece stumps and tortillon set. Double-ended, pointed, and made from soft gray paper felt. Stumps are excellent for blending and smoothing pastels, charcoal, graphite, or any other dry media. More abrasive than stumps, the tortillons are excellent for rapid, thin blending on pencil, charcoal, or pastel drawings. So there you have it. That is what is in here, and it says Paletteful packs, tips, and prompt soft pastel tips. Paper, your pastel paper pad comes in a variety of colors. Artists often allow the colors of the paper to show through the layers of the pastel. The tones of the paper can affect the overall temperature of the art piece. Using pastels, pastels are not everyone's favorite, but we urge you to experience with the medium. Maybe you're more comfortable with paint than pastels. Pastels are actually very similar to painting mediums and can be approached in a similar way. Like with paint, pastels can be layered over previous applications. Pastel colors can also be easily blended. Instead of mixing colors on a palette, the mixing takes place on your paper. Alright, cool. Well, since we're here, I'm going to go ahead and just do some swatches just to see what the colors look like real fast. And I have so much of these tiles, I'm going to use one to swatch because I can. I remember like a long time ago I would watch like people on YouTube do unboxings, and they would like use the paper they got in the box like for swatching, and I'm like, no, like save the paper. And it's like, honestly, I've gotten so much paper, like I'm never gonna be able to use it all. Never. So I might as well just do this. So deep blues, this probably isn't something I would have chosen either, but I actually have this same pastel pack but in like a pink, so I'm glad I didn't get this color set because I already have it. So I've used these before, not a lot actually, but I still like them. But anyways, we're gonna try these deep blues. So that is really dark. I don't normally do such dark art, but I guess subscription boxes are good because you get stuff that you might not have picked out, and it makes you try new things. I like the lighter blues better. But whoa, that one's really light. That went way light. Okay, so now let's try these little pencil guys. This is a weird color. I wish they had color names. They don't. They got numbers on them. But that's not the same. Ooh, they feel kind of cool though to work with actually. That's really weird. I don't know how to describe that, but what even color is this? Like, I don't even know what color this is. Is it like, is it blue? Is it like a dark blue? I don't know. I don't know. I guess I probably should have, There we go. These actually feel really cool to work with. I wish I had better colors, honestly. Like, the white looks really pretty. That is the fun thing about having, like, gray paper is, like, white looks Because white is honestly, like, such a great color. Or, like, I know it's, like, what, the absence of color or something, whatever. But I love white. It's so pretty. So, that's cool. And, yeah, I'm sure they're, like, really blendy. Might as well just grab one of these out here. Whee! Yes, very blendy. I mean, obviously the pastels are going to be blendy. But what about these pencils? I don't really want to blend these together. It's kind of gross. These colors are not pretty. Do not like... I'm gonna have to make something with all these colors. Oops, I used the blue side to do yellow and white. That kind of messed that up. Oh well. More yellow on top. That never happened. Ooh. I kind of like... There's some blendiness too. Okay. So that is the Paletteful Packs box, and I still haven't done the challenge from last month, which I'm gonna do very soon. But I will say I like last month's box better than this one. Like, pastels are okay, but like, I actually have nothing against pastels. I like pastels, and these pencils, like, are interesting, but, like, the colors I'm not totally happy with, so that's all. And, yeah. So, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much, especially to my patrons. Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Alright, bye everyone. Have a good day.